Hi, Dr. Mary here. I came down here earlier to do a few things, and I heard this scrambling. Turned around, and here in a bucket that had some water in it, a baby pine squirrel that we know from coming up to eat seeds on the deck was in there, could not get out, soaking wet. Oh my goodness. So I tipped it, poured the water out. Now comes this pine squirrel who's really stunned and soaking. So I had a towel and I picked it up and dried it off. It was very unhappy. Not with me particularly, but I think the whole situation and then just being really stunned, like, okay, now the hand that feeds us is now holding on to me and rubbing me with a towel. He's able to sun himself on the grass for a while, and I then watched it. We'll see what happens. I think he'll make it. Wow, and there's those warning signs on buckets for babies, like baby is going to potentially bend over and drown in this bucket. Well, your baby squirrels also. So right now I've turned the bucket over and there's no water in it. It's like just a little stool. Have a great day.